Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace BMW 4 Series key battery. Pop out the mechanical key, press the small release tab, and slide the plastic housing apart carefully. Use a small flat tool to separate the halves without forcing them. Remove the old CR2032 cell, note the plus orientation, and insert the new battery. Snap the housing back together, test the remote functions, and stow the mechanical key back in place. Start by gathering a small flathead screwdriver or dedicated pry tool and a fresh CR2032 battery rated for electronics. Work over a soft towel or mat to protect the fob finish and catch the tiny spring or clip if it pops free. Keep the battery away from children and pets and avoid skin contact with the terminals. Handle the internal components gently and don't force any plastic clips when opening or closing the housing. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video so I can keep making practical DIY tips. Quick recommendation: pick up the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading service manuals and step guides anywhere, even in your garage, and enjoy a distraction-free screen during repairs. I've linked the product and other deals in the description, so check those out if interested, and now let's get back to the video. With the housing open, lift out the old battery and inspect the contact springs for dirt or corrosion and clean them gently if needed. Place the new CR2032 cell into the compartment with the plus side up and press until it sits securely. Snap the fob halves back together, reinsert the mechanical key, then test the remote lock, unlock, and panic functions. If a reset is required, consult your owner manual or dealer for model specifics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.